Cleetus, we got a dragster. Come up to Canada. We'll show you how it's done. That's what I'm saying. 8.5 second car. I'll take you. No problem. Hell yeah, brother. Welcome to the Elite Truck Repairs YouTube channel. Uh-huh.
Between runs, you should always put a battery charger on it. Okay, 12 volts. You don't need 16 volt. 12
After
volts.
every run.
This is your main switch.
Yep.
Car's live now.
Okay.
Okay. So then, basically, this is where we got enough fuel to fire it. We'll have to put more fuel in if you want to go down there, right? There's not much fuel in it. Alcohol burns
Fast.
a lot more fuel than gasoline, right?
So how much does a full tank get you? 1, 2 passes?
Basically, 2 passes maybe.
Okay.
But what we do is we don't ever fill it up all the way to the top.
Of course not.
Right, we fill it up 3/4 full,
Yep.
do your pass, and then recheck your fuel and then put it in there.
Fair enough.
What you can do is make a stick, get a chopstick and put a mark on there, right? But we never actually filled it up ever to the top.
Okay.
Okay. Between runs, alcohol has a lot of blow-by, you know, and then basically you got to, between rounds, always drain this tank.
Okay.
Because if it overfills, well, you'll know.
Yeah, you get water in it.
No,
Well, the
what'll
trouble
happen is
is
there'll
it-
be shit blowing everywhere.
It pukes out and they'll kick you off the track.
Yeah.
Any moisture on the track, you'll be shut off.
This one here, we drain down. This is just your water for your radiator,
Okay.
right? So you don't really have to do too much.
And you run straight water, yeah?
straight water. We don't run water wetter.
Oh, you don't?
Water wetter?
No.
No.
What's
Not
water
to.
wetter?
Water wetter helps you.
Anti-corrosion.
Like I used to run that in my stock cars. Water wetter it helps control temperature, keeps everything a little bit more lubricated, and it's better for cooling when you're running real hot. Right? So we don't run water, just straight water, no antifreeze.
Okay.
Because you're not allowed to run antifreeze
Yeah, you don't
on
want
the
to.
track at all.
Yeah.
Get found out.
Yeah. No, nobody wants to wreck the track.
Plus, also too, not
remember
only
those days.
that, but also too, if something does blow and you have antifreeze and it goes under that slick,
Oh, yeah, you're in the wall.
you could be.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. There's the MSD box. We've got all the chips in there already. There's nothing really you should ever have to change there.
Shouldn't have to change anything.
Right? Basically, once that power switch is on there,
Yeah.
the car is still basically it's not in a live mode. There's your driver's switch.
Now we got all the power. Wait, did you pull the, which did you just hit there? Oh, the red button, okay.
Right, big red button.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
basically, if shit happens,
Yeah, pop that.
pump.
First thing you do is hit that button.
This here is to roll the motor. And then here, when you're going to the line, that's a whole other animal. We'll get to that at a later date.
Yeah.
Basically, when you're in staging lanes and you're ready to hit the lights,
All the way
that
down.
goes all the way back. This automatically shifts it at the RPM through
Yeah.
that MSD box.
Yeah.
So basically, won't go.
Okay.
And so you can't inadvertently throw it in reverse
Yeah,
when you're going down the track. Okay?
that's good, yeah.
To reverse, this is your trans brake here.
Okay.
For reverse, you have to basically
You gotta
use the
push-
trans.
You
Hit the
gotta
trans.
push the.
You gotta hit the big red button.
When you go into reverse, the car will just sit.
Oh.
The feature of the tire.
Push this,
It goes
it goes
back.
backwards.
No shit.
Yeah.
No. Your
Okay.
finger has to stay on it.
Yeah. Once you
You'll
let your
learn
finger
that.
off,
Okay.
once
Take
you let your
your
finger
finger
off,
off,
it won't go backwards.
Okay.
Right. That's what directs the transmission.
Interesting.
Right?
Okay.
When you're leaving the line, again, we're going further ahead. So now you're at the staging lights, you've tripped both bulbs. Basically, this is in first. You hold this finger down, you put your foot to the floor.
Yeah.
But there's another learning curve on that too. You don't want to sit there with that green bulb on and you're sitting there
Winding out.
revving everything up and warming it up. You got to stage it timely.
Yeah,
I
that's
get
a
you.
whole other learning curve,
Yeah,
right? So,
yeah.
that's something that once you do your
That's seat time. Here.
seat time.
Now you gotta get out.
Turn your straight. Ooh, you're gonna get bruises. You'll have bruises here.
So here we are, guys, back at the shop. We got the Dragster here. She's parked in the backyard. I just want to get a little shout out to the people that I bought this car from because, well, let's just say I got a really good deal. And the family that I bought this car from has been racing this car for 16 years. It works out well because I grew up with my very good friend Sean Cowie, who races Dragster professionally. So I'm really stoked to be able to buy this thing because the people that I bought it from are part of like the racing family community that's been in this part of the world for a long time. So it's really cool that I was able to pick this thing up, and I'm still going to keep it in their family because I mean they're going to be my support. So it's going to be awesome. Gary Waterman built this engine. He's been around in the racing community in British Columbia for a very long time. Joyce Glover is the mom and the grandma of everybody. She's the mom of the family, and it's very cool to meet her. And just being out at the drag strip where we bought this today, and talking with the family and stuff, it was a very cool experience. So this car has been driven by Kelly Naylor and her husband Claudio Fisher for the last 16 years. They were sad to see it go, but they're very glad that I was connected with their family community, and it's going to stay in their family. They're very happy about that, especially their grandson Bryce. Little man, shout out to you, buddy. This little boy was near tears when they were selling this car, and when I told him that I would keep it in the family and bring it out and be around, the car would still be around. He went from very sad to very happy real quick. So, thanks, Bryce. Cleetus, buddy. Even though I'm Canadian, I'm still doing it for Dale.